just found the best 99-cent tacos in Wichita, Kansas. And I found these at the old El Rio market, which is now called my Super Mercado, and the address to that is 2501 South Seneca Street. And when I say tacos, I'm not talking about the hard shell ground beef with lettuce tacos. And if those are your favorite, you gotta keep scrolling. Alright. These tacos are very authentic. They doubled the tortillas. For $1, they give you double tortilla. They give you they got like triple tortilla depending on what you ask for. They have asada, they have al pastor, they have chicken, barbacoa, and then they have carnitas. So you can't do a test with a couple tacos. So I got 18. I did not know there had been a double the tortilla, but it was the best $19 I've ever spent.